College in Southeast Kansas is making some changes to class schedules based on student feedback. KOM's Chris Warner has this story.
Labette Community College in Parsons has been offering classes in a pretty typical fashion over the years, but times are changing, and so are student demands. So Labette formed a special team that sent out a student survey, and there was one thing that stood out.
And the students spoke, and we listened, and they said, guess what? If we had a 4-day course schedule week, we would absolutely love it.
One of those students was freshman Taylor Hudgens. She says there's a number of benefits to having a shorter school week.
Because it's able for me to tell my boss to be like, hey, this Friday I can for sure work, so you can have your 3-day weekend. And it also gives me the chance to leave like Thursday nights to travel back home and give me more time with my family.
Hudgens says having a 3-day weekend is about more than just extra free time.
I would get drained having classes every single day, and I would drown in homework trying to push it on Saturday or even Sunday night, because those are the days I would have when I don't have to work.
Kendrick says another benefit is this opens up a day for students to meet with advisors, tutors, and faculty and have more time to get help they need to be successful in college. And there's one more change Kendrick says they're making.
We are changing our class start times. Our class start times used to vary, they were kind of all over, maybe start at 5 or 10 after. Now we are going to start classes at the top and half of every hour.
Hudgens says that's another big change she's looking forward to.
Because I know definitely last semester I struggled with making it to my 7:55 class, my 8:35 a.m. class this year. I'd always have to check my phone and be like, what time is my class? So it's definitely able for me to remember, hey, I have a 10 a.m. class.
In Parsons, Chris Warner, KOAM News.
Kendrick says the summer semester is already 4 days a week, and starting this fall, the full schedule changes are going to be implemented.